basically this was supposed to be the largest conference in Asia, and we were to target around 1,000 delegates, which we did this year. As Sankalp separately as a conference, they used to target around 700, and we as Unconventional, we were around 400. So coming together meant more number of delegates, more number of entrepreneurs. So I guess we did meet our target of 1,000 delegates this time.
Today, it's a much diverse mix. You know, when we look at this 1,000-strong audience, it has people from the government, it has people from large corporations, it has a lot of people from support industry like legal services, innovation and design companies, people who are in the business of publishing and so on. Apart from the investors and the entrepreneurs and the innovators that we bring to the fold.
The objectives were not only to target more number of delegates, but also to increase the number of entrepreneurs in the whole participation list. And we did try a new initiative called the Entrepreneur Scholarships. We gave them scholarships to attend such a conference, and hopefully because of that we had more participation from the entrepreneurs, specifically from the tier 2, tier 3 cities of where we do our Unconventional Locals.
So I applied for a scholarship to come to the Sankalp Forum because I wouldn't have the resources to come here, and I knew from having worked in Bombay and knowing Intellicap and Wilgrow that there would be a lot of people here that would be able to help me planning my startup.
I usually do not like networking and all, but yesterday the kind of interactions I've had with some of the people has been really exciting, and like I'm very happy that I actually was able to make it to it.
Because I believe that impact incubation is not doing small boot camps, not doing 2-day business plan pitches. It's about an engaging process, and there's a lot of resources that needs to go in, heavy mentoring, a little bit of money that needs to go in to make that work. So in my mind, I'd redefine what you actually said. I'd really like to focus on impact incubation as a foundation for impact investing to build on.
In earlier versions of Sankalp, it was more investment focused, and through the Wilgrow partnership what we did was bring the focus of innovation and incubation. We also had the Wilgrow Awards, which celebrated and recognized the different stakeholders of the ecosystem.
Well, I like the concept of awards because it's important for every industry and every kind of enterprise to celebrate the achievements and the success stories of its field. Unfortunately, a lot of awards are compromised today, where they can be bought or they can be influenced. So if an award is given very fairly and with due diligence, then it has a lot of value, and I do think that Wilgrow Awards is one of the few awards which perhaps is being done in that spirit, so therefore I think it is a good idea.
We see these awards as recognition of the initiative, the effort and the bravery shown by many outstanding intermediaries in accomplishing what they've done. So it's not an award for achievement, but it's an award for the initiative and the bravery shown to start off what they're doing.
It's good to see that when you've done something and somebody's kind of looked at it and appreciated it, definitely. But I would write about it anyway.
And last but not the least, our strategic partnership with Sankalp Forum and Intellicap, and I think has been a very useful place to give away these awards. And I truly believe that the ecosystem which is growing, which is far better than when I founded Wilgrow in 2001. It's really fun to see the newness, the energy, the more number of players in the space, and this is a humble contribution to recognizing some of you who have made a big difference to our ecosystem.